Welcome back, guys. Let's talk a little bit of e-commerce news. Probably the most relevant thing for those that either sell in the US or live in the US is the next president's desire to implement more tariffs to try to get more domestic manufacturing. This is really interesting. Last night they said aluminum, steel, quite a few things were going to be tariffed. So to me, as a non-economist and staying away from politics here, it'll hurt the economy in the short term. Hopefully some manufacturing here will help. This really hurts those that are trying to sell products that use superconductors from Taiwan, because that's also been tariffed in the U.S. market. So people looking to sell in Amazon, Germany, UK, all these other marketplaces are going to be a little bit more effective. There's a rumor that Microsoft was going to buy TikTok. Interested to see how that goes. When we reported last about DeepSeek, the AI platform out of China, it has gone exponentially large, completely crashing part of the stock market, especially NVIDIA. So if you shorted NVIDIA, you're probably quite happy there. Interested to see how this particular platform is going to help e-com sellers automate parts of their business. And I've started seeing more and more noise around Instagram Shop. So as TikTok has its 75 extra days of life, Meta is coming out and trying to push and sway. I saw that they had been offering creators hundreds of thousands of dollars to switch over to Instagram Shop. So interested to see if you are looking to expand outside of the US because of the tariff situation. I think we should probably chat.